She is not happy. She is not happy. They are not here. They are not here. I do not like it. I do not like it. He does not smile. He does not smile. He does not like apples. He does not like apples. She does not dance. She does not dance. He is not a man. He is not a man. I do not know. I do not know. I do not know. I do not know. He does not sing well. He does not sing well. We do not have pets. We do not have pets. I am not sad. I am not sad. I do not like to walk. I do not like to walk. We do not run fast. We do not run fast. I am not cold. I am not cold. We do not eat meat. We do not eat meat. We do not eat fast food. We do not eat fast food. They are not here. They are not here. They are not friends. They are not friends. I do not want to eat. I do not want to eat. I do not want it. I do not want it. I am not going out. I am not going out. They are not my family. They are not my family. We do not eat breakfast. We do not eat breakfast. We do not take the bus. We do not take the bus. I do not like spicy food. I do not like spicy food. They do not sing. They do not sing. She is not in the office. She is not in the office. He does not go to school. He does not go to school. They are not busy. They are not busy. I do not see you. I do not see you. I do not like cake. I do not like cake. She does not have a cat. She does not have a cat. She does not watch TV. She does not watch TV. What do you do at home? What do you do at home? I am not a student. I am not a student. She is not feeling well. She is not feeling well.